everything, I'm Gold, and welcome to my channel where everything that glitters is gold. And here we are reviewing another wig from UNice Hair. So this wig is a little bit different than the ones that I received previously. This one is actually 20 inches of body wave, just body wave hair. So, and as you guys can see, I kind of like attempted to do that little, I don't know how to explain it, it's like the little highlight kind of streaks thingy framing the face, and I think I did okay with it. It just didn't come out perfect. So I did process the hair, and as you can see, the hair did take the color very well. I didn't bleach it. I actually used just box dye on just the two front pieces of the hair, and then I did bleach the knots, so the lace is like really like you could really see the parting is nice and defined. I didn't pluck this area though, because when I did the plucking, I did it in the middle part. Yeah, I did customize the lace as I always do. Well, not always, but I did customize the lace a little bit. Did a little bit of baby hairs because once again I was sent tinted lace. The tinted lace does not blend with my skin as well as the transparent lace, so I did have to go ahead and do some tinting. Not tinting, bleach the knots, do baby hairs, like a little bit of cutting and plucking on the hairline. I didn't do too much, but I did want to. Yeah, so this is the hair in the straightened form. I'll insert a picture of how it did look when I received it, and then I do actually think I have pictures of when I washed it, so how it looks in the washed in its washed state, so I'll insert those as well. So the hair does look really black. Like, I feel very like emo with this hair, but if you look really closely, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, it's just like a really deep brown, almost black color. So I was really surprised when it took the box dye. So as most of my wigs are, this is also a 13 by 6 inch lace. So you have the 6-inch parting, of course, and then you have the 13 all around the perimeter, so you can do all the customizing, like slick it back a little bit if you want. I haven't tried to do curls in this hair just because it's so silky and soft that I feel like the curl is just gonna I feel like the curl would just fall, like it wouldn't even form. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try that right now on camera just so we can see. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, and I'm just gonna try to do like a loose wave kind of curl with it because I haven't tried it yet, and I don't want to sit here and say, you know, one thing and then it's actually the other. So let's just. Ooh, look at the smoke. I do have a little bit of hairspray in my hair though, so that might be the reason for that. It's like burning the hairspray. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, look at that. See, I would have been lying if I sat here and told you that it doesn't hold the curl. Well, hold the curl? I mean, it curls. I thought it wouldn't curl at all. How silky and like smooth it is. But, girl, there we go. Look at that. Oh, I might actually have to do this to all of the hair. This is really cute little curl. Look. Okay, and I'm just gonna leave it like that. It might irritate people, but I'm just gonna leave it like that just to see if it holds throughout the duration of the video, and then I'll leave like on the screen or in the description if it actually holds throughout the rest of the day. Let me put this away. The natural density, so it's not like too full, it's not too thin. The ends are nice and full. What else? Like the luster of the hair is just very pretty and natural, and I'm sure I would love it even more if it was in its natural state and not straight. And I just haven't gotten the chance to, like, once I first got it, I not bleached it, I dyed it, and then I straightened it. Like, I didn't even let it really dry to see the natural state of it. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I'll do that like a separate video. Not sure. If you guys are really interested and want to see how that would look, like at a wet and wavy kind of state, or just natural, dry, just washed state, let me know. I'll just do that for you guys so you guys can see the texture of the body wave hair. But yeah, I really like how it looks straightened, and I feel like curled, if I do these little curls all around the wig, it will be so cute. Should I do that for the video? I think I'm gonna do that. This is what I got. They're like kind of messy jobs. I'm not really here for it right now, but I'm gonna do a little bit of hairspray. I'm not sure if that's cheating to you guys. My phone storage is low right now, so I'm just trying to speed the process. I wanna like brush it out and do like a wavy kind of curl. That's the reason why I'm just gonna put a little bit of hairspray. It's probably not the best hairspray to use for this, because I really do love this wig, and I really do think you guys should check out UNice hair. Like, their hair is really good quality, nicely priced, with the really good pricing. I'm not sure, I believe this wig was like around $150 for 20 inches of really good quality hair. Like, you cannot beat that. And yeah, until the next hair review, thank you guys so much